guys, today I'll be showing you how to assemble a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, so let's do it. As always, make sure that you are in an enclosed room where there is not many holes for any pieces to fall in, like air vents or whatever else things can fall in. I recommend getting some towels and covering up those cracks in like the bottom of doors, just so pieces don't go in there. And so if a piece might fly out of the cube, you have a place and you know where to get it. So to start, I'm just going to disassemble the cube just by taking out a corner piece and then disassembling the rest of it. So I've disassembled everything else except for this, which is the original piece of the 2x2. This piece must be taken out by loosening one of the screws and taking it fully out. I've tried doing it without doing like fully taking out the screw and it does not work. So that might just be this cube, but from what I know, I'm pretty sure this is for every cube. You have to fully loosen this and take it out to take out these pieces, because there's actually something that is like wedging this into the center and there's no way you're going to get it out without loosening it. So I'm just going to take this one out and then I will take out all the other ones and show you how to assemble it. So I did take off this center and then I loosened it. I kept it loose along with this one and this one. This is so I can reassemble it easily, because you need 3 centers next to each other to be loose. Also, for the comparison, the edges that are around the original piece, and these are the edges from just a regular piece. And I don't know what you call it, but you'll notice that they have this extra thing and that goes into the center. So I'll show you how that works. So to begin assembling, pick 2 centers, this and this for me, that you're going to put the piece into, which should be loose. And then you'll notice that there's just these like holes under the center that this goes into. So you're just going to put it in to one of them, put it into the other, and as long as they're loose, it should be pretty easy. Next step would be to just slide in the corner, and then you just want to fill it in with the rest of the edges, so here and here. So once you've surrounded this corner with all of the edges, you no longer have to worry about this, and you can just go ahead and tighten it to the desired tightness. So I'm just going to match it up with this one because that's how all the other tensions are. So I'm just going to make sure it's of equal distance when I pull it like this, and then I'll do that for all of them, and then we can continue assembling. All right, the next step is to get a corner such as this one, and then just put it in like that. And then you're gonna want to surround this one with edges as well, but this time it'll be normal, of course. So just take the edges. Oh, I realized I was putting that in the wrong way. I'm stupid. Just put it in like that and then do that with the other one. All right, now I got these 2 edges in, and now our goal essentially is to build it like a 3x3. So we're just going for a whole layer. I just put this one in just for extra support, but you essentially want to get these 2 corners in and then get an edge in between them. So the way you would go about doing that is just put in that corner like that, put an edge in between it, and then put the other corner over here. All right, just like that, we are halfway done the 2x2. Now, I already have 2 edges. One of them is the original one, of course, is this one. And then one of them I just put in for extra support. You can do that. You can also exclude it and put it in now. It doesn't really matter when you put this one in, but then you just want to fill in the rest of the layer. So you just put that edge in, and then we put the other edge in. So now it's a full layer, and now it's just the last layer. Start by just putting in a corner, so just like that. And to help you, things are coming apart. If you want, you can loosen the tensions because it can get a little rough. Just make sure that the tensions are even so that you know how many turns to do when you reassemble it. Because if you don't, then you're gonna have an uneven 2x2. Not very cool. So then the next step is to get an edge here and an edge here, and then fill in 2 more corners. So as you can see, 2 edges. Now I'll just put in this corner. Whoops, that's not the right one. That's still not the right one. Frick. All right, last one. There we go. Now we could put this corner in right now, but I'll just finish off this last edge. Just like that, the edge is in, and then you just put in last corner, and then you're just gonna put in the edge and then the other corner. I couldn't get it on camera, sad. That's all the edges, and then you just need to push very aggressive and give the cube a little bit of an ouchie moment. So now push, break. There we go, very cool. Now we have assembled 2x2. Very nice. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please like and sub, and also bye.